TNT ties it. It's 3-3. We have a game 7 coming up, guys. This is a 6-1 podcast. Nico here with Mario. Si Manong, guys, is coming from a game. So, medyo alanganin. Plus, may therapy pa siya. Pero kung sumunod, then makakasunod. And then si Graham, may work. Pero again, nakita nyo naman na si Graham, kapag may oras, papasok din.
Yeah.
So, ayun.
Pasok lang yung
What a
mga yan,
game!
tol. Pag
Oh,
tinapisil, pasok yung mga yan.
oh, ganoon naman. So,
Yeah,
hopefully, nandito pa kami when they come. Anyway,
true.
Mario, what a game, no? It's a crazy game. It's what we expected
Hey,
from a game 6.
nah, stop right there. We're talking about it right away, man. I'm talking about
Oh,
it
sige, sige. Go
right
straight, go
away.
straight, go
I
straight.
want to talk about it right away. What is the game plan, my friends? Japit Aguilar, corner three-point shot to tie the game. Tigilan niyo ko. My God, tigilan niyo ko. This has been the maybe second or third time na si Japit yung pinatira ni Coach Tim ng corner three-point shot to tie a game. The first time I remember was in Gilas and now he's doing it in Ginebra. I don't get it. Am I missing something? Is Japit Aguilar the best shooter in Ginebra? Is Jamie Malonzo all of a sudden not available? Is RJ Abarientos not a shooter anymore? Is JB's only option to pass out? I don't get the thought process dun. Na si Japit, ang last shot, ang game tying shot mo in a very crucial situation. Do you get? I don't know if you have an explanation for it, but go ahead, man.
Wala eh. More of ako rin nag-wonder. Kasi nakita mo nagme-message tayo sabay, di ba? Nag-uusap tayo. And then we were like, oh, okay. I remember that was Brownlee driving.
Yeah,
Nag-collapse in defense kay Brownlee. Nag-pop si Aguilar to the right side. I think it's 36, 37 seconds remaining.
yeah.
And
Shoots it.
I think in his head, it was just like, okay, it's wide open, tira ko na.
Pero
Ganun na lang
tinignan ko na
ata.
yung linya eh. Tinignan ko
Tinignan
sa
nga,
dete. Tanong dete, pre, tres se
nandito
tira.
na eh. Parang ganun, yung
Oh.
mindset ni
I
Japo is
I
like, nandito
understand.
na ako. Wait,
I,
let me
I
check kung ilang seconds pa natitira. There's like,
Mga 33, 34. No, I
no,
know
no,
that's
no, no,
right.
shot clock, sa shot clock.
Di ba
Okay,
tagal
wait
pa
ah.
yun, man? Mga 8.
Yeah, there was 8 nga, galing. There was still
Mga
8
8.
seconds.
Yeah.
There
Because
was
I was
still 8
shocked with the
seconds.
shot, dude. I was like, what? Don't get me wrong. I'm sure Javid Aguilar has made threes in his career. Pero is that yung best shot na makakuha mo kung ikaw yung Hinebra? I understand that also possibly that's the shot TNT is giving you. And by God, TNT gave him that shot talaga. Boy, Aram said, please, please, Lord, take this shot, Japet. So, nagpasalamat siya nung tinira ni Japs yun. Alam mo yun? And then, right after that, the second play coming off of the out of bounds call was the
Hmm.
same play. Japet was again in that corner. Kaya
Nandun na
medyo
talaga siya sa corner. Nakatambay siya sa corner eh.
Kaya medyo di ko maybe that's really the design play for JB to collapse the defense, and if
Hmm.
Japet Aguilar gets the open shot, Japet Aguilar gets the open shot. I'm assuming everybody in Ginebra has the green light to shoot that shot when 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 available. Pero man, there has to be a better play call than that, if you ask me. Second point na gusto ko i-bring up.
Yes.
Why is Japet Aguilar? You used
Balik ka,
Japet
Jap.
Aguilar wrong twice. You used him wrong on offense, and then on defense, you decide, nah, we don't need Japet Aguilar to box out Poy Aram and Ronde Hollis Jefferson.
In a
Kaya na ni
crucial
Justin,
game, in a game that we can still win.
kaya na ni Justin Brownlee with 1.5 hands and Stephen Holt, who is a foot shorter than both of them. Kaya na nila yan.
Kaya
Guys,
natapik ni Poy, no?
yeah, kaya natapik ni Poy kasi wala si Japs doon. Again, medyo na-confuse ako sa endgame ng Ginebra. Why is Japet Aguilar your main option shooting the three? And why is Japet Aguilar not in the game when you need somebody to grab a rebound? Yan yung medyo di ko naiintindihan dun sa endgame ng Ginebra. Now, moving on sa side ng TNT,
Hmm.
I want everybody to understand right now. I was not wrong when I said Reyna Ambata has been the best player on TNT's team
He
this
has
whole season.
been. Galing
Guys,
talaga.
guys, I I said it in the last video and people commented saying that Rain Batok is still at the same level as Scotty Thompson. He dropped 23, 5 and 5 today, guys.
Hmm.
Let's put some respect na on Rain Batok. He has played very, very well in this series. The reality is maybe nga Scotty truly is a better player overall. Pero in this series so far, Ray has played very, very, very well. He brought this team to this win, man. You can't tell me Reyna Batak didn't bring this team to this win. And Boy Aram, for the life of me, finally played his good game. Alam mo yun? Boy
Mhm.
Aram finally decided na stop all that nonsense, stop all that bullshit, and let's play basketball. And he played basketball well. That's basically how it is. Reyna Batak and Poy Aram, the two guys who you needed in this game to come out and play, came out to play. And that's why TNT won this game.
Yeah, exactly. Di ba, hinahanap rin natin. Yeah, we were looking for what do you call this? Who's gonna back up RSJ, no? O, 'di ba? Nagiging predictable nga yung TNT in the previous games kaya nga sila natatalo. In
Yeah.
this one, at least Ray Batak was there. 23 points, 64% from the field, 3 for 4 from 3. Gets mo ba't siya nagkakram sa dulo, and he really gave it his all, and he was the second guy. He really was option B para sa TNT in game 6.
Let's remind everyone, Ginebra had all the momentum heading into that fourth
They
quarter.
do.
If Reynam Batak did not hit that 4-point shot. Stephen Holt hits the corner three, Ginebra goes into the fourth quarter up 3 points. I'm
Yeah.
fairly certain Ginebra wins this game already. But because Reynam Batak hit that 4-point shot to give them the lead entering the fourth quarter, tides turned. Game turned. Tables turned. It was basically all of a sudden, oh, TNT is gonna actually has a good chance of winning this game now. And it doesn't help na in the most crucial game of the season, if you're Ginebra, it doesn't help that you started the fourth quarter 9-0.
9-0 ang nangyari. Yung simula.
You just allowed TNT to go on a 9-0 run, man. I'm not gonna say allowed. Obviously, they tried to defend it. But who was scoring in that 9-0 run? It was not RHJ, man. It was Poy Eram in the corner for three.
Grabe yung mga
Poy
Poy-era,
Eram
pero
posting
welcome
up in the
back!
paint. Rain ang Batak. It was Glenn Cobuntin. You're telling me you lost this game because in the first 2 minutes of the fourth quarter, you allowed a 9-0 run? Man, matatalo ka talaga niyan.
Exactly. And I want to give my props rin to Poy-era, who's our thumbnail ngayon. For me, it's called, siya yung gagawin ko, the Prodigal Son Returns. Alam nga naman natin bakit
That's
Prodigal
what
Son, di
the,
ba?
yeah. Yan yung sinabi ng ano, diba? Ng
Ni
commentator.
Carlo. So I was
Yeah.
like, that's the thumbnail. The
Great, great
Prodigal
line.
Son Returns. Kasi grabe naman, guys. Alam nyo naman na we've been really hard on Poy Eram for this whole
Deservedly so.
series.
Deservedly so.
Yeah, very deserved naman. Kasi kita nyo naman, bakit, diba? Pero here, he was very stoic, no? He was just
Yeah,
like,
man. Played the game. Just played the game.
naglaro. Yan ang nangyayari kapag you just play the game. And the coaches were
Played the
telling
game.
Poy doon sa free throw, diba? Parang he was
Yeah.
this close to taunting after making the first free throw. Pero si Coach Sandy
Yeah.
sabi niya, tara,
Yeah.
kalma lang, di pa tapos.
Hey, man. Props to Coach Sandy. I hope I pronounced his name right. Ares Pachaga.
Ares Pakochaga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like Coach Sandy had a major part in this mental game of Poy Eram. Okay? Kasi nakatingin si Poy sa kanya a lot in
Kay
this game.
Sandy. Kay Sandy
Oo.
titingnan niya.
Nakatingin siya kay Coach Sandy. So, a lot has to be given credit to him. Pero in general, man, right now, I'm trying to understand a lot of what Hinebra did. Mav Ahamnisi has been your best player over the last 2 games. How many minutes did Mav Ahamnisi play today, man?
14 and 45 seconds. 14 minutes,
How many did
45
RJ
seconds.
play?
Played more. 15 minutes, 24. A minute more.
I am genuinely surprised. I know RJ had a good game. I know he had
Yeah. Game 6 RJ, sabi nga ni
Game
Graham.
6 RJ, yung sabi ko, sinintay ko si Graham, kaso mukhang hindi siya papasok.
Wala si Graham eh.
Yeah. Pero, tama naman siya. There was a Game 6 RJ Barrientos. Pero, Mav Ahamnisi has basically become your X factor ng Ginebra. But bigla na lang natin siya nakalimutan all of a sudden. I think Mav entered the game second quarter halfway through. You know, he's been that guy for Ginebra. I know RJ was having a good game, but Mav has been your formula for a while, man. So I'm quite surprised by the fact that Ginebra kind of went away from Mav Ahamnisi. How many minutes did he play in game 5? I'm so sorry. I don't have the stats.
And it's okay. I have the thing naman with me here. Mav Ahanmisi played 29 minutes plus 17.
Oh, game 5, he played 29. Game 4, how many minutes did this guy play? I'm very sure he played also a lot that game.
They won game 4, diba? 95-78.
Game 4, game 5, they won.
18. He was 18. Pero RJ 9 nung time na yun.
Yeah. So, all of a sudden, Mav gets 15 minutes. I don't understand it. I found it a bit weird. And again, I'm not gonna be the guy who says I'm better. I'm not saying I'm better than Coach Tim. I'm not saying I'm better than Coach Tim's staff. I'm not. But the fact of the matter is right now, I feel like this game was lost in those crucial moments in the fourth quarter where you had Japet Aguilar on and off the court. at the wrong times.
Na
And in
mismanage
the
si
start,
Japs.
yeah,
Parang ganun.
and in the start of the fourth, where you just allowed a 9-0 run, those are the times you lost this game is where it was lost. Full credit to TNT. RHJ played as good of a game as you can expect from somebody who's basically running on one leg. Props to what's his name? To
Everybody out there's injured. Lahat sila may iniinda for
yeah.
sure. Lahat yan. Hindi lang inaano.
But if you're Ginebra, you feel like you genuinely lost this very winnable game. And another thing I want to bring up, Calvin Oftana came out in that first half, man. And it's exactly what we said. It's exactly what Manong said last podcast, what I said, what Graham said. You need to find plays to get Calvin Oftana going, and that's what TNT did. In that first
Mm.
half, they allowed the guy to play basketball. They
They
allowed him
just
to
did,
hold
yeah.
the ball more. Oh, hindi na siya spot-up shooter. He is allowed to dribble the ball. He's allowed to take his step back to the three-point line. He was allowed to do that, and that's what allowed him the rhythm to play this whole game. Yes, nagka-cramp siya, but it was a major point kasi kung hindi mainit si Calvin nung first half, tambak to.
No nga.
Exactly. Pero yun, now we're heading into a game 7 where if you ask me, both teams look tired as hell, man. Both teams are literally on yung
They're
huling
on
hangin na lang.
huling hangin, huling
Uh,
they're on one leg, one
One
arm.
leg, one arm, huling hangin, one lung. Literally everything right now for both teams. Nauubos na, they're all just slowly running out of energy. So this game 7, which is already on Friday, by the way, kind of insane.
Bilis,
Na
no? Hindi man lang
yeah,
pahintay till Sunday. Pero wala, it's the schedule. Ang dami kasi ang daming sports na nangyayari ngayon, not just the PBA.
that's true though.
Hindi
The
hindi pwede yung
UAP volleyball right now, full swing. UP just beat NU women's no step ladder, kind of the surprise of the day, if you ask me. But anyway,
that's the surprise of the day, yeah. Yeah,
going
yeah,
back
going
to
back to the PBA
sorry,
finals.
sorry. Um, whoever in that last game can literally exert yung huling hangin nila will, I think, win this series. I don't want to predict any team at this point because this is the only person who got this shit right was Nico because he's been craving for a game 7 since he was born. Alam niyo yun? Like,
Game 7!
like
Yung first
kakalabas,
words, Game 7!
kakalabas lang niya na game 7 please. Alam mo
Game
yun?
7! Tatakan natin ko, Game 7.
Game 7. Ba't di umiyak ng batang to? Ba't siya nag-game 7?
At least matalino siya. He can speak already. He knows what 7 is.
That's what Nico's been craving for the longest time. He finally gets it. It's gonna be on Friday, and in all honesty, it looks like it's gonna be an absolute banger. I don't expect a single blowout. I don't expect any blowouts coming from this game. And honestly, there were no blowouts in any game of this series, if I'm correct. Not a single blowout in
There was a
any.
blowout lang. Meron, yung
Ayun, game
95-78.
3.
Yeah, yeah.
Game 4.
Game
Game
3,
4.
wait, 1, 2,
4,
3,
4.
4. So 4.
Yeah.
Pero parang, yun yung parang nawala na ng will to play ang
Yeah,
TNT
but I
bigla
mean,
sa
like,
fourth
that was a
quarter.
close game until
Close
that.
yun eh.
That was a close game. So, like, this has been a very, very tight series. It can swing either way. And this is literally one of the moments. Alam mo yung times na I say shit, but I don't mean it. But this time, I do genuinely mean it. Whoever is the best man on Friday is the winner. Whoever is the best man, the best team on Friday deserves to win this.
Let's both give our case for Ginebra and TNT. Let's first start with, you wanna start with Ginebra? Let's both give our
Sige lang.
case na okay, go. I'll give my case na for TNT. O, sakto si Manong nandito.
Ako ba Ginebra? Sige, si Manong. Dubi si
Yes.
Manong.
Ito si Manong.
Manong! What's up,
Basta
boss?
therapy.
Okay lang, men. Tangina, sakit na ng katawan ko.
Recording na to, recording na to.
Oh, okay na yan. Live na tayo. Okay lang yun.
Okay lang
Okay
yan,
lang
okay
yun.
lang yan. Dito na ako sa kwarto, dito na ako sa kwarto.
Kamusta, Mano? Anong nahabol mo sa game? Anything that you saw at least
Actually, napanood ko yung napanood ko yung last 2 minutes ng second quarter hanggang matapos.
Okay, nice.
marami
That's
naman
enough.
ako
More than
naabutan.
enough.
Oh, may tanong ako, man.
Yeah.
Ano thoughts natin sa play ng...
Sorry, choppy ka.
Ay, sorry,
Ah.
Bossing.
Ano?
Hello?
Teka
Okay,
lang,
okay
boys. Lipat lang ako ng wifi, ah.
Ay, okay. Naka-LTE ata.
Nasa, ako eh.
Actually, yung gusto ko rin tanong no, na I hope he enters so we can
Yan.
ask him. Ay, ayan.
Ayan.
Sige, go, Manong. Ay, go, Mario. May tanong
Okay.
si Mario para sa'yo, Manong.
Go,
Genuine
go, go.
question. Actually, ito yung, I started the podcast saying this kasi, is the last shot of Hinebra, or is the play of Hinebra to get Japet Aguilar in the corner a 3-point shot, is that genuinely the play
I
Hinebra
don't think
wanted
that was
to
a play, bro. I don't think that was a play. It was a breakdown wherein Japet had to pop out and scramble play towards the end. Kasi parang pa-drive dapat si JB tapos
Yeah,
sumikip lang. When Japet was there in the corner, he had to step back. Kasi, I mean, it was a long two to begin
yeah.
with. Might as well take a three. So, yeah, I don't think that was a designated play. I think it was a breakdown and, he missed the shot.
In that moment, is he supposed to take that shot, or you have 8 seconds left in
What,
that
what,
shot
what,
clock?
oo.
Is the best option for him to take the shot, or let's find something else with the 8 seconds? This is coming from a
Uh,
player perspective.
I mean, ako, lalo na yan, like what you said, it's a player's perspective.
Player's perspective.
At the end of the day, if you make the shot, we wouldn't even talk about it right now. Diba?
Yeah,
But, in hindsight, uh, I feel like at that moment in time, it was the it was a good shot.
Not the best. It's just
not the
In
good.
best.
in in because we're talking about Ginebra, we have high standards when it means
Yeah.
a good shot and a great shot. But when you think about it, when JB drove to the right wing from the
Nag-collapse
45
eh.
and then nag-collapse lahat.
Nag-collapse lahat.
And I think the four players of Ginebra was also inside the paint.
They were all in the
Yeah.
paint.
There was all there every kasi nasa yung weak side nandun din eh kasi in the beginning akala nila Japet would take the two.
Yeah.
Yung ano niya, 'di ba? Kasi Japet just decided to step back. So I think everybody was gunning for an offensive rebound na dun
Mhm.
sa 2-point shot ni Japet. So I
Yeah.
think kung hinawakan niya din yung bola and swung it out and it wouldn't have been much of a difference kasi like what you said, he took it with 8 seconds. JB was already denied and there were the only two guys on the strong side. Everybody else was in the paint. Maghahanap pa siya ng exit pass. Things like that. We can talk about it all day long because he missed the shot.
Yeah. But if he made it, it
So
would have been different.
oh yeah, he would have been a hero. But yun nga, I think to answer your question, it wasn't part of the play. Ano lang, read lang off of help, collapse, kick out. I think yun ang nangyari dun.
Second question. Is it surprising na wala siya sa rebound play sa free throw line?
Yes, I
Yeah,
was
sabi na.
surprised.
Yeah, yung
I
sabi ni
was
Mano.
I was
I knew he was gonna say.
nakahiga ako dun sa therapy bed. Tapos tinitingnan ko siya before pa mangyari. Tinitingnan ko siya kasi sabi ko bakit walang rebounder tong Ginebra kahit si
Si
Troy
Stephen
wala din
Holt
sa
lang.
loob.
Stephen Holt lang
Yeah.
Tsaka
mga
si
dito.
Anisi well, ang inaisip ko na lang is there were what do you call this? There were already I think wala na silang timeouts by that
Yeah, wala
time.
na. Wala na.
So they were already planning for the offensive possession. Kasi ang in-expect din nila was RHJ to make it.
Yeah,
Alam mo
kahit
'yun?
one. Yeah.
Oo, so I think kaya ganun, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi pero for me, even so, kasi pag na-shoot niya naman 'yun, the second one. No, it's different. It's not the FIBA pala.
Yeah, bawal
Kasi
sila
yung
mag-subs.
substitution dun after the first free throw tama ba?
Yep, exactly.
Tama,
PBA.
'di ba? Tama, 'di ba?
PBA.
So PBA rules. So, it would have been different. It would not have mattered whether nandun sila Japet, tas ma-shoot, isa-sub din sila. Yeah, I mean, mahirap, pero I was surprised na wala sila doon.
Uy, may pumasok ka. Bossing.
Oy, uy, ano,
Boss!
nasa
May pumasok
trabaho
dito.
ka.
May pumasok
Dapat
dito.
ganito mo employees mo.
Naglag.
Naglag bigla.
Naglag siya bigla. Pero hindi naman, I told this to Nico kanina, pero hindi ka naman mali eh. Hello?
Pangit signal.
Pangit signal.
Okay na.
Ayan na, okay na si Graham.
Pre, tama ka naman ah. RJ Game 6 nga na.
RJ Game 6 nga.
It was RJ Game 6.
Oo, wala eh. Sakit. Napakasakit na
Check ko nga ano yung stats nun. Go lang
pagkatalo
Sige lang,
for
ano.
Barangay Ginebra. I was watching. I'm finding a way to watch the game. Ilalagay ko pa yung phone ko sa ilalim ng lamesa. Itatago ko ba sa laptop? Kasi we're training for work. Um, in the end, hindi worth it na hindi ako nakinig in the first hour and a half. Kasi
Trabaho mo,
that's an
worth it.
important an important lesson. But you take
Gumagano
you take
din kung ano yung sa
Oo,
what game kanina. Ginebra.
Ginebra.
you take responsibility. You take responsibility for your actions na, but
Ha?
in the end, yung pumatay yung 4-pointer ni Ray ng Batak. Pag
Yeah, and
binalikan
it's
mo,
Exactly.
parang, if he did not give that of course, di ba, parang chain reaction na siya, na baka hindi
To
ako
end
galing
the third yun,
mag-outcome
no? To
late in
end
the
the
fourth.
third.
End of the third.
End of
Oh,
the
buzzer beater.
But yeah, I mean, in the end, hindi mo naman siya pwedeng sabihin na eksakto ganun yung mangyayari, di ba? I mean, it would have been a different ball game. But masakit kasi yung 4-pointer na yun. Yeah, that's my only takeaway. Yung TNT wanted it more in the end.
RHJ was on the floor, man.
Oh, yung
Just
jump ball.
diving.
Oh, pre, pinunas
Grabe
niya
yun.
yung sahig. As in, go.
Rare
Pero-
to see that from a superstar, no? Mga ganun.
Yeah.
In our day and age, mga ganong players.
Tapos galing pa sa NBA na parang, PBA ka lang naman, di ba? This is, I mean, not PBA lang, but, you would have done that.
Pinaputol ng kumpanya yung internet, ginagawa pang
Ay, ka na ng
podcast
boss
daw.
Okay,
game.
but in the end, for Barangay Ginebra is, one thing going for Barangay Ginebra is, parang wala nang injury si JD. For me, yung kamay, parang okay na. So, I'm not worried heading into Game 7 picking Ginebra if you haven't made your picks yet. I obviously
Wala
will
pa.
go with them.
I-recap
I've
lang
been,
namin.
Ako, I was
I've been-
actively avoiding picking a team.
Hindi ka magpo-pick?
Gusto ko manong style na whichever
Ay,
team.
Uy,
Na-
almost tumama ako dun. Muntik na sila mag-90.
Oo nga.
Actually, they almost...
85.
87 eh.
Di ba sabi mo above
85?
85? Above 85.
Sabi ko lang
na
basta 90. They have to reach 90
magic number.
para to have a chance to win. Yung pala, pinakita yung stats. Sabi nila yung dalawang panalo ng Token Text was 91 average. So, I didn't know that. So, ganun pa rin. I think, yeah. Game 7 kasi, wala
Yeah.
nang tactics.
Wala na yan.
Wala na yan.
Like,
Yan na yung
who-
kuko na lang.
Wala na. We can talk all the tactical stuff we want, pero
More of
Ang
na lang tayo.
ironic,
React na lang
ano,
tayo.
na-
React na lang talaga as it is.
Yeah, consider maganda gising. The only thing ironic is both of these teams, I mean, especially TNT, take their pride on defense. Pero mas nananalo sila pag high scoring. Pag yung Ginebra pa yung low scoring, parang sa kanila pa pumapabor yung laban. Although both of them would like to play defense, if you ask both coaches. But I just find it interesting na Ginebra held TNT to 66 in game 5 and then 70 in game 2. Tapos nakuha nila yung mga panalo na yun. In the end, mahirap makatulog if you're Ginebra fans. Some of them may not watch this
So, ikaw?
episode. But, sisikat yung araw bukas, makakalimutan niya yan.
true. I agree.
Well, I mean, I'm very
Ito yung
vocal
sinabi
with...
ko ay,
Oo.
ito yung sinabi ko kay Nico, guys. Both teams look absolutely exhausted.
Yeah.
Mukha silang on their last legs, on their last breath, lahat na yun. So who does that favor going into Game 7? Na
Wala,
pareho-
yun lang isa pa yun Parehas na silang ganun tapos game 7 pa. So wala talagang pabor. Wala talaga like
So, equal footing. Equal footing
wala
to enter
na,
Game
oo,
7.
oo.
Okay.
Like I would say na kasi even yung mas pagod parang sasabihin pa nila, guys, isa na lang to, 'di ba? Ganun lang naman yung motivation mo, wala
Isa
ka na
na lang.
kailangan. Isa na lang to. Ganun din naman
Yeah.
sasabihin ng isa, 'di ba? Parang pagod sila, pagod din tayo, wala na to. Pero like ako siguro i-add ko lang like ako humabol lang din kasi ako Grem Naka lang din ako. Log-in ko lang.
Kung panalo, congrats 3 points ay panalo nyo, di ba?
Oh,
Yeah.
3 points,
Win.
3 points.
Win yun.
Tapos, ano tawag dito?
Yeah.
Parang, how good of a player is Poy Eram if he just stays in his lane?
Yes! Yes!
Oo.
Discuss namin kanina yan. Ano namin. Just
Diba?
stay in his
Parang,
lane.
Yeah.
like, kasi ako nakasama
Wala
ko na
siyang
din
paki
siya,
sa
like what
crowd.
I said before. Oh, like, wala na, bro. Like, just stay in your lane. Like, you're gonna get what you're gonna get with the crowd. You're gonna get what you're gonna get from Hinebra, from your team, from your coaches. Sigawan ka, mumurahin ka. But just, just look down, head down,
Yeah.
ride the course. And then eventually, I felt like he kind of won the game for TNT tonight. You
Shut
know?
thumbnail natin.
Yes.
For me,
Shut thumbnail natin. Shut thumbnail
for
natin for
me,
tonight.
Poy and Ray ng Batak yung nagpanalo sa TNT today.
Oh, parang I think yun, like what Mario said, like, kasi syempre nababasa ko yung mga ibang sinasabi, yung mga comments. Of course, siguro when it comes to accolades and awards and championships and experience, si Scotty, lamang na lamang
Oh,
talaga kay
binabasa mo pala,
Rayline.
Mano, ha?
Kahit anong sabihin
Silent
natin,
watch. So, silent reader.
kahit anong sabihin natin, and ako, hindi ako hater and everything. I'm just a basketball fan.
Mm.
But Mario talked about the finals.
The finals, yeah.
Diba?
Super
Just-
clear.
just-
No, just
Just
the
the
finals.
finals. And to be honest, Ray's been hooping.
Exactly.
He's been
Ngiti si Mario.
Yeah. Guys,
Ngiti siya eh.
if Kiefer Ravena says it, I don't think I'm wrong anymore.
Diba? Parang, guys, we can't take away the fact that Scotty was an MVP of the league and things like that. I'm probably, one of his biggest fans, knowing what he can do with his height, with his position, and everything. But we're talking about the finals. We're talking about performance
This
wise.
specific finals also.
Yes, and I think it's the third straight game wherein Ray's in the 20-point mark. Tama ba?
Wow.
After the Ultra game. 'Di ba? Parang yung game niya after Ultra, parang yung wala na. Ano na yon? Tapos kausap ko na yung sarili ko kanina. Sabi ko parang pag mag-champion pa tong TNT na to, may chance pa si Rhea mag-finals MVP.
Siya ata favorite to win
should be.
finals. He should be the favorite.
Yeah, I think so. But again,
and
game 7.
you could not ask anything from Ray anymore.
Yeah.
Like,
Binigay niya
yung
lahat.
pinakita niya. Wala na.
Oh,
Wala
I
na.
agree with
Yun na
them
yun.
100%.
Yeah, if he gives you 2
Kumbaga
points in
sa-
game 7,
oo.
wala na kayong magagawa dun. He gave literally everything he possibly could in games
And
1 to 6.
sa depensa din siguro ng Hinebra, parang putya, pinapatay tayo nito, nilalason tayo nito. Ano?
Attack lang ng attack, no?
At saka, nasa stop nga natin si RHJ, pero pag tingin mo ng score, 24, 23, 19.
Ng batak.
Parang,
Mm-mm.
nalalason tayo nito padahan-dahan, ha? Parang, di ba? Parang, kung nasa stop nga natin si RHJ, pero nananalo tayo, 2 points, 3 points. Parang merong mali, ah. Di ba? Parang ganun.
Mali.
So, pagdating ng Game 7, I'm sure it's gonna be extra on Ray, RHJ, given na yan. But, I think, Roger can be 1 for 9. Game 7, all
He cannot
guns
be, yeah.
firing na yan. Like, all
Exactly.
guns firing na yan pagdating ng Game 7.
Ano thoughts niyo dun sa for the first time this series, di ba na-mention natin nung last podcast, Calvin Oftana actually was allowed to play with the ball in his hands nung second quarter onwards. Like, he was allowed to dribble, he was allowed to get screens and pull up for 3. And I think, yun nga, that kind of became a good stepping stone for TNT kasi nakaka-rhythm na si Calvin eh.
Yeah, for me, that's a good indication. And at the same time, probably the most benefit, the player who would benefit most from that is RHJ kasi ball off his hand, nakakapahinga siya. He gets to crash the boards for offensive rebounds and things like that. So I think TNT should do a little bit more of that, quick actions to allow Calvin a little freedom on decision making.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Kinikinig si Graham sa ano.
Si Grim pa biglang dumating ba yung boss mo? Bakit biglang gumanon siya, di ba?
Nawala yung wifi. Nawala ata yung
Nawala
wifi.
ba siya? Lagi pinatay yung internet. Ano ba ito? Inebra na yan. Pinatay yung wifi. Bayaran ka namin. Nandiyan ka sa podcast. Anyway, for Game 7, how do we see things play? Oh, wala.
Ayun na nga.
So for Game 7, it's just a matter of the first thing that strike first in the first quarter. Would you still stick to that one, or more of ano na lang talaga? The
Shit.
per quarter,
Ano na to? Willpower na to. But I
willpower na.
guess I would stick to the fact na pag high scoring game to TNT, low scoring favors Ginebra.
Guys,
Low
I think
scoring
nawala ako. I gotta go here. I gonna say one thing.
Oh, sige.
RHJ, RRJ, PB&J, Ginebra in 7.
Yeah,
Guaranteed.
yes.
Guaranteed.
Good night.
Guaranteed.
Sige, baka pagalitan pa ng boss mo.
I gotta
Salamat
go.
sa
I love you all.
pagbisita.
Ginebra will win in 7.
I
I'll
like
be
it,
there.
Graham Sharp.
Be quiet. Be quiet that I'll be there. Don't inform my employer. I love you all.
SL.
Yes, sir. Sinungaling leave. All right, bye.
Sinungaling leave.
Adios, amigos.
Sige, Graham.
Yeah, man.
Ayun, so guys, Game 7, meron kami ulit recording. Manong, may game ka ba? May game ka ba sa Billy?
Friday.
Oo.
Wala akong game sa
Okay,
Friday.
we can start as soon as tapos na yung celebration ng
Whichever.
Ng
whoever.
mananalo.
Final buzzer, we don't need to finish the celebration. Final buzzer, we can start already.
Oh, yeah. And I think by this time, parang, I feel like Game 7, it's not gonna be, this game, I think it's not gonna be a nail biter. Like,
Oh, you feel
You-
it's gonna one
No,
team
no,
will just
like,
pull
I-
away?
no. I feel like one team will win comfortably. Like, 7 points till the end, 8 points, yung ganyan, yung,
Kept
hindi
them at
katulad
bay.
kanina. Hindi
They kept
katulad
them at bay.
kanina, nung nakashoot pa ng 3 points si Scotty, dumikit pa di ba?
Dumikit pa nga. Oo.
Oo, di ba? So parang ganun, like, yun lang yung gusto kong sabihin na, I think whoever's gonna win it will win comfortably pagdating ng Game 7.
I see.
Ikaw Mario, wala ka ba nabibigay?
I'm just gonna say whichever team wins deserves to win. Yun ang masasabi ko dun, man.
Same. Ako rin. Ayoko na magbigay rin. Ako kung sino na just
And
deserves it.
to be
Congrats.
honest, we've been treated with the great finals. We've
Yeah,
been,
100%.
so
We really enjoyed
You know,
this podcast. Yeah. Conversations about it.
TNT fans, Ginebra fans, basketball fans in general, we have to be thankful that we've been treated with a great finals.
100%.
Yun lang naman guys. For those on Spotify, follow 5-star rating, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. 6-Man Podcast here. Again, Manong, thank you for making time.
Yes,
Mario,
sir.
thank you for making time. See you on Friday evening. May the best team
See you,
win.
boys.
Yes, sir, Ski.